tayo. Kasi mag-register muna tayo. Yes. Register. Ganyan mo ito mga ganyan mo natin ito. Yes! What are you excited about in this film? You've seen the trailer, and what did you think about it? Rebel, how about you?
It's not relevant movies, especially for Pride Month.
I'm premiere that Flower Girl there as a North. I am so excited. Get the hashtags #FlowerGirl, #Nasaan si Puchi, and tag the Idea First Company, October Train, and at Creation Studios. Once again, thank you SM Cinema and Health Fusion for making this event possible. Come up here with me. Hello, hi, Miss Chai. Can someone give her a mic? Do you know me? You know? Hi, Miss Chai. Kumusta naman?
All good. I just got here. I'm very excited to see the film.
Yes. What are you excited about? Are you supporting anyone?
Okay, so I've worked with Patrick before, 2 or 3 times, and I'm really happy that he has a film out now, and he's written this film. His comedy is always on point, and so far I've experienced working with him. And also, I'm a proud fellow Bisaya. He's Bisaya, so yay! Congratulations, Patrick.
Here. Yes. Congrats. Before we go back to the film, tell us more about you right now. You are on Beauty Empire.
Yeah.
Let us know about that.
We are currently filming now. It's coming out on View on the 16th of June, and then on GMA on July 7th. Is that right? Yeah.
Please confirm.
Yeah.
Is that correct? Are those dates correct?
Yes.
Yes.
So I hope you want to watch it. I'm playing Griselda. She's the assistant me, Miss Velma, who's played by Miss Lufa.
Yes.
Gutierrez. So.
Iconic lineup, iconic roles, and let's go back to the film a little bit. I will pose to you a question.
Yes.
What would you do if one day you woke up and wala na yung Puchi mo? What would you do?
I would, give myself time to freak out, but at the same time, that doesn't matter because there's so many things that you can do in life, with or without a puke. Diba? Like our puke does not make us. Yes,
exactly.
we make who we are.
Exactly. I think, yeah.
And may I also say, you look absolutely.
I know, oh my God, back
stunning.
to me. Wait lang, I said back to me. I had to be the flower girl because I don't have a Puchi, so I just became the flower girl. Don't you think it's quite timely that this film came out during Pride Month?
Oh Oh, no, definitely. Definitely. And we should celebrate Pride Month because the LGBTQ sector is not just a sector that we, you know, hindi sila dekorasyon lang. Pati sila na kilipunan natin. Tao sila, kasama natin sila, mga kapatid natin sila, mga, they are our friends, they are our brothers and sisters. And we have to fight for their rights. And by telling stories like this, it's very important to share, to make people understand what their experiences are, what the LGBTQ needs are by way of storytelling. And I believe in the power of stories. It can change lives. It may not solve the problems of the world, but it can definitely help.
Wow, lovely meeting you, lovely talking to you here, Miss Shai. Thank you so much. Empire, yes, Gorge. Gabby, yes. Casual chic, hello. I know. I'm just a simple flower girl. Ano ba? Hi, gorgeous. I'm good. How are you?
I'm good. I'm very excited to be here to support Sue, of course, and everyone who's made this film possible.
Oh my, well, I'm giving Sue Ramirez.
Yes,
with this,
I love
with
Flower Girl talaga.
Flower Girl talaga. So, I have a weird question for you because
yes.
The film's premise is about pag nawala yung Pucci mo.
Yes.
Miss Gabby, anong gagawin mo pag nawala yun?
Alam mo, in a way, it would be kind of liberating to not be defined by anything that is part of my body. So, thank you for the wonderful question. But yeah, I think I would just enjoy the fact that I don't have anything down there. And for a woman that's like no periods, no anything, so...
Life will be
I don't
more
need
simple.
I don't
Life
need
will
it.
definitely be simpler. Thank you,
Yes.
Miss Gabby. I want you to enjoy the film
I will, thank
and go
you.
enjoy your life.
Thank
Happy
you,
Pride.
you too.
I know.
Happy Pride.
Thank you, Miss Gabby. Now let's welcome onto the stage Miss Dolly De Leon, who is here to support Free Asian Studios. Hi, Madam. Oh wow, I love this green outfit. I know, it's just a simple casual look. Just a casual look. Hi, Miss Pink.
Casual lang yan.
Casual lang to, nag-grocery lang ako. Ano ka ba?
Ganda.
Siyempre, it's for the premiere of Flower Girl. Are you excited to see the
I'm
film?
super excited to meet Pucci.
Nasaan ba si Pucci?
Hindi ko alam saan ba siya, hindi ko pa siya nakikita.
Pinapahanap ko sa crowd,
Gusto ko
Miss
siya
Dolly.
ma-meet.
Oh my gosh. So, we're with, of course, the iconic Miss Dolly. Can you tell us a little bit about your current projects? Before we talk about Flower Girl, you are casted on 9 Perfect Strangers and Avatar. Are we allowed to say that?
Yes,
Oh my gosh, tell us all about
we
it.
are allowed to say that. So, 9 Perfect Strangers is streaming now on Prime. So, nasa episode 5 na ata kami, or 4. It drops every Thursday. Yun. Tapos, Avatar The Last Airbender, sinushoot pa namin.
Oh my god!
So, tapos na yung season 2, na-shoot na namin. Season 3 naman sa August.
Oh my god, Miss Dolly is so booked and busy, tama?
Yes.
Who are you supporting here sa Flower Girl premiere?
I am supporting Sue, I am supporting Creation Productions, I am supporting everybody, I'm supporting Martin, the whole team, pati yung crew, lahat. Yes.
Work. She's for the people.
Of course.
I want to pose this question to you because it is the entire premise of the film. Miss Dolly, what would you do if you woke up one day, tapos nawala yung Pucci mo? Hala.
Pag nawala, ang hirap nun. Ang hirap ng tanong mo, oh my gosh, siguro ang una kong gagawin, pupunta ako sa OB-GYN ko. Magkukonsulta ako sa OB ko.
Papacheck mo muna when something is wrong.
Malay mo, nandun lang siya, kailangan lang hanapin. Ewan ko. Pero ang laking ginawa nun kasi, di ba, wala na ako problema, hindi na ako magkakaroon ng menstruation and all that.
It's much simpler life for the women out
Yes.
there. Do you think that it was timely that this film was released during Pride Month?
Oh yeah, it's very relevant, and I think that this is a very important film for women and for all genres of people.
Yes, thank you, Miss Dolly. We're excited for the film. We're excited to hear what you have to say afterwards. Thank you so much for
Thank you,
gracing
Leia.
us with your presence.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Of the Garawang Sisters, Drag Race Philippines alumna, and you're the Lagang Pilipina, Hot Maria Clara. At Hot Maria Clara, sobrang Latina. Ganyan pala yun pag nagbataan kayo sa bubong. Sister ko to eh, wait lang. Hello, sister ko to eh. Miss Angel Galang on the stage.
Hello mga tao! Sa mga fans ko, sa mga fans natin, mga drag queens.
Ang ganda mo naman.
You as
Uy,
well.
Grabe naman.
Wala to kasi.
Ano ba? Kumusta naman, Miss Angel? Can you tell us more about yung role mo dito sa film?
Yung role ko about dito is magiging assistant ako ni Miss Sue Ramirez. Tapos parang mairay ako dito. Siyempre, buksapan din dapat, di ba?
Nabuksaan pa rin hanggang sa film.
Yes, at saka
Nakakaloka.
maganda pa rin yung mukha ko.
Tama, yun naman importante, no? Hello.
Yes.
Ano naman, kumusta naman yung feeling na from drag queen to movie star?
Ayun nga, sabi ko nga, di ba, sinabi ko sa Drag Race, wala naman ako achievement talaga as a drag queen pa. Pero maging part na itong movie na to, well, syempre for me, is parang bagong skills na na-unlock for me. So sobrang happy ako and proud ako sa sarili ko.
Marami ka pang ma-achieve for sure, Miss
Hopefully,
Angel.
my God.
My God, excited ka na ba sa film na to?
Of course.
You're part of it, girl.
First movie na makikita ko yung self ko.
Oh my God, first
Oo.
Oh my God, congratulations, Miss
Thank you.
Angel!
Thank you.
Nakakaloka ka! Girl, alam mo, we are so proud of you. I want to ask you this question. Ano gagawin mo kung nawala yung puchi mo?
Oh my God! Actually, wala pa akong puchi. So, nalulungkot ako. So, hinahanap ko pa rin siya.
Nasaan ang puchi?
Ewan ko ba kung saan napunta to? Baka nasa bulsa ng mama ko.
Ay, oh my God, nasa si Tita.
Yung
Tita!
mama ko.
Pakibigay naman. Parehas pa tayo nag-yellow ngayon, no?
Yes,
Can you
yes.
tell us about your look? Ang
The
ganda
name
naman.
is Flora, Flower Girl, and I'm wearing yellow because as women, we're representation of the happiness.
Joy! Si Joy pala to ng Inside Out! Oh my God!
Gusto mo yun?
Oo, gusto ko yun.
How about you? What is your inspiration?
Oh, my
about your
inspiration
outfit,
is
my
like
love?
my inspiration is like a sunflower. Because I want to. It's a yellow.
Sunflower is what?
And the sunflower is so sunny and beautiful for this day.
Yeah.
Again, ganon.
Kasi sa araw na to maulan, kailangan ng sunflower.
Ay nako, oh my gosh, even though it was a gloomy Monday, tuloy pa rin tayo dito sa
Yes,
Flower Girl.
buksan tayo dapat.
May, ano ka ba, message for your fans out there. Hello mga Maxi Bears!
Hello sa mga alaga ko. Thank you so much for supporting us. Me and Maxi. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Are you guys happy? Pengen namang hep-hep dyan. Hep-hep! Why? Yan, dapat po ganyan.
Ganon, dapat ganong energy hanggang sa start ng film natin.
Yes.
Miss Angel, what is next for you?
What is next for
Yes,
me?
what's next for you?
Oh my God, marami pa rin next for me. And as of now, wala pa akong hindi ko pinapressure yung sarili ko kung ano ba yung mga sunod na mangyayari. I'm just like a water, I'm just go with the flow and enjoy every ride.
Ay, go with the flow, girl. Ano bang birthday mo?
August.
Leo.
Leo.
Ay, fire sign tayo dito. Rick! I love that
Ikaw,
song.
kailan ang birthday mo?
September 25, Libra.
Ah,
So, air sign naman ako. Di ba naman share na tayo ng mga zodiac dito sa O, di ba? Human hair?
Real hair.
I love it! Oh my gosh!
Babae mo nga lang tonight, di ba?
Exactly, girl. You embody that talaga. Dito sa Philippine drag scene. Ay, naku, si Miss Angel. Ay, nandito yan. Hala, grabe, sobrang idol ko yan. Hala, sobrang idol ko yan. Grabe. Ay, hala, ganun pala. Charot lang, ano ka ba? No, alam mo, sobrang happy ako na nakikita natin yung mainstream representation ng drag.
Yeah.
Diba? Nakikita na natin sa mga commercials, sa mga film, and whatever.
Movies, sa mga teleseries, sa
Diba?
kahit ano ngayon. Drag queen is everywhere.
Yes, at hindi nyo maiiwasan, dadami pa kami.
Totoong buhay yan, hindi nila tayo mapupuksa.
Exactly.
Hindi
That's
tayo
really
malulusot
that.
ng mga Fart Nation.
Okay.
Diba?
May last message ba tayo for Pride Month naman? Ano masasabi mo ng Pride Month?
For Pride Month, short and sweet lang, message ko. Tayo-tayo na lang po mga bakla. We should respect and love one another. And after all, I love you, you love me, we are happy family.
Ang ganda. Thank you, Miss Angel.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Give it up for Miss Angel Galang of the Galang Sisters. Plakado. Naka-yellow flower din siya. See? Maganda talaga. Hi, Direct Percy! First of all, congratulations. Congratulations. What can you say as a producer, of course, what went into the creation of this film?
Well, this film is the brainchild of our director, Patrick Tabada, and it's a project that has been around for a few years now, I think 3 years or so. And I'm just happy that we got to produce it and now we get to screen it in front of people. You haven't seen it though.
I have not seen it. Yung trailer pa lang sabi ko, ay gusto ko yung bangs ni Sue. So ginaya ko yung bangs niya. Yun pa lang. But asking everyone here, they're all excited about this very simple but compelling premise, no? Of like, parang nawala yung puchi mo.
Yeah.
Sinadyan niyo ba na during Pride Month to ilalabas?
Yes. And I think it's important kasi it's the right time to have this discussion, diba? And that's what movies are supposed to help do, to start conversations, to spark the discussion, and hopefully, you get to understand a lot more about other people this way.
Exactly. It doesn't pay to be a little bit more empathetic to people and others that we do not understand. And of course, with the Flower Girl premiere now, we are so excited to see this star-studded cast really push their way here. And thank you so much for producing this kind of film, which is very important, especially for the LGBT community. Na, oh my gosh, it's Pride Month and we have this film. It's a very brave film. I've been interviewing people here and they're saying the trailer is very brave. Honestly, for a country na medyo conservative, did you run into any problems with that?
No, you know what? I also give credit to the cast and everybody in the team, of course, no, because they just trusted the vision, they trusted the story, walang apprehensions about, because the material is pretty daring, and the scenes you will see it later are kind of risque, but risque in the same way na parang nobody is naman, di ba? It's not offensive, but it's definitely pushing the boundaries.
Ala, direct, turn on ba kami? Alam pala yun, nakakaloka. We are so excited.
Yeah, thank you very much. Thank you to everybody who was part of the production, but more importantly, thank you to yourself and everybody who will help us hopefully spread the word.
Thank you, Direct. Thank you. And we are so excited for this film. We are ready to see what you have to say after we see the reactions of the people as well after the film. Thank you, Direk.
I love the dress.
I know, thank you. Oh my God, back to me. Ginagawa ko talaga. Bumabalik talaga sa akin na lahat ng interview eh. Oh my gosh, ano na to, Direk? Wala lang to. Casualan lang. Sabi sa akin, as opposed to casual ka lang. Okay, grocery lang yun sabi ko. Hindi sabi ko. Thank you, Direk, for seeing. The main cast members of Flower Girl, we have Sura Quiles, Jameson Blake, Martin De Rosario, Maxi Andresen, together with Direct Patrick Tabada. Jameson Blake! Miss Maxi! Hi! Let's call on Miss Maxi Andresen on the stage. Hi, Sister Rian. Hello. Drag superstar to movie superstar. Kumusta naman? Ang ganda mo naman. May message ka ba para sa Maxi Babes mo dyan? Hello, Maxi Babes! Thank you so much for coming here. Are you excited to see the film? Oh my God, ang ganda-ganda mo naman tonight. Wala lang to. Ano ba? Pag-isip mo, ayang ka na. Exactly. Natulad ako super excited ako sa movie mo. Siyempre, abangan siya. Sabi ko, hala, sa ate ko yan. Papanoorin ko lagi yan. Support each other. Of course, exactly. Because we want to see drag queens in the mainstream. Tama? Correct. What now, Miss Anna, Miss Maxi, what makes you proud to be part of this film?
What makes me proud na nakikita ulit ako sa film, uma-acting ako ulit. Kasi mahal ko talaga yung acting, di ba? Doon naman nagsimula yung pangalan kong Maxi. So, coming back to acting industry, alam mo, parang sobrang iba rin kasi yung mundo dito eh. So, sobrang nakaka-proud na meron tumangkap, merong kumuha sa akin at may nagtiwala ako ulit.
Yes, and that was support. Sobrang aga ng Maxi Babies, no? Kaya parang 4 p.m. nandito na kayo.
Thank you so much.
Maxi, why should everyone watch this film?
Because this film is different from the other. Way different. Parang bago sa, alam mo, bago sa pandinig ko yung usapang kepay talaga dahil, promise. So, tapos gagawa mo ng movie tungkol kay ano, exactly. Diba? So, sobrang different niya, sobrang ganda din.
We are so excited to see you slay it on the stage. Thank you so much for gracing us. Ang ganda ni Maxi, huy! Wow! Nakakaloka!
Nakuha pala ito sa closet ko.
Sa closet lang hindi ko.
Existing outfit ko lang siya.
Perfect siya.
Perfect siya for tonight.
Thank you, ate.
Thank you so much,
we are so
girl.
excited to see you on the screen. Thank you. Give it up for Maxi Andresen. Ang ganda niya. Parang Miss Universe. Hi, Sir Martin. Hello. Oh my God, ang guwapo ito. Somebody give him a microphone or else.
Hello.
Hi, Sir Martin. How are you today?
Excited na ako mapanood yung film namin, Flower Girl.
You are looking very dapper today, I must
Thank you.
say. Parang bagay yung yellow and green.
Yes, so
Parang
floral.
flower talaga kami ngayon. Nakakaloka. Are you proud to be part of this film?
Yes. Excited na ako mapanood.
Yes, it's been so long in the making. Pre-pandemic, nandun na yung script and everything. We're so happy to finally see it come to fruition. With, of course, a star-studded cast like you. I have a very specific question for you, though. You've done a lot of daring roles in the past. So, gaano ka-daring ka dito?
Hindi naman ganun ka-daring.
Ay, ano ba yan? Wag na, wag na.
Hindi, pero nakakaano dito, yung nakaka-shock dito. Habang ginagawa namin ni Sue, biglang mawawala yung puchi niya.
Nakita namin sa trailer.
Oo,
Yung reaction mo.
Nakaka-intriga. So actually, ito bago ko tanggapin yung film, narinig ko pala yung idea tungkol to sa babaeng nawawala yung puchi. Doon sobrang nakaka-intrigue siya eh. Doon ako na-excite.
Martin, game ka ba sa walang puchi?
Okay naman, basta...
Basta naka-yellow na flower. Ay, no!
Yes.
Ano ba yan? O sige na nga, mamaya ka na. Mamaya na tayo mag-uusap. Sir Martin, thank you very much.
Thank you.
We are so excited to see you. And now we welcome on the red carpet, Sir Patrick Cabana and Sue Ramirez. Hi, Jameson. Hello. You look very fresh. You ready for the premiere?
Yes, I am ready for the premiere. You're looking good.
I know. I just tried to be a flower girl. I was really wearing this last night, girl. How are you?
I'm good. I'm excited to finally watch Flower Girl.
Are you proud of your castmates? Are you proud of yourself for this film?
Yes, I am, of course. I'm happy that I got to work with everyone in this for this movie. I'm sure everybody did their job and did their best, of course. And I'm sure lahat kami excited to watch the film.
So you actually said that you're curious how this film is going to turn out because it's not a typical movie you'd watch. Tell us more about that.
Well, you know, syempre lahat tayo, we want to watch something out of the box or
Yeah.
kakaiba na you'll be surprised when you watch it. So I would say yung ganitong classic film is something that will surprise you in some way.
Oh my gosh, Jameson, we are so excited to see you on our screen. But for now, thank you very much for gracing us with your presence and enjoy your film. We are so excited to see you.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Thank you. Yes, excited na ba kayo? Malapit na. Nakapasok na sila. Oh. Tuloy nyo lang yan, kasi pag nag-GB ako sa inyo, hindi lahat ng lang. Mag-makamit tayo. Tama ka, tama ka. Makamit lahat. must be very excited.
I am.
Oh my gosh, so what can you say about this whole thing after years and years?
My God, first time ko actually experience to and kinakabahan at excited. Kasi it's my first all directorial debut, so...
Oh my God, congratulations, Direk! We are so proud of you. What's on your mind right now?
Excited, I think, yeah.
Oh my God, ganun pala, shy type pala si Direk. So,
Medyo hindi lang ako sanay dito sa mga part. Kasi I'm a screenwriter, so
laging behind the
Yes.
camera. Ngayon, ikaw naman naka-spotlight, and we want to know what you have to say. Direk Patrick, anong pinagkaiba ng writing process mo sa Flower Girl compared to Patay na si Jesus and Chendeng at Apple?
Oo. Yung Flower Girl, sinulat ko siya 2019. I mean, pinitch ko siya 2019. Sinulat siya 2020 sa nagka-pandemic. Then, na-shoot namin 2024. Natapos post-prod 2025. Ganun ako kabagal gumawa. Sabi ni ChatGPT, deserve daw palitan ng AI.
No, AI could never replace this wonderful brain of yours, Direk Patrick. No, we are so excited to see your brainchild. Siyempre, baby mo to eh. And excited ka.
Pero I think pa rin naman yung humor ng Patay na si Jesus, Chendeng at si Apple, dito, irreverent, yeah. May sasabi lang din nga, para siyang Bisaya humor, kasi I'm from Cebu.
Yeah,
So yung
Bisaya is shy.
So, I think Bisaya humor is more raw, more harsh, because it always comes from the place of love. Hindi siya yung nakikita mo sa press con ng dating former. Yeah.
Oh my God. And actually, we want to have Miss Sue on the stage as well. Hello, I'm sorry. Hello, nude. The nude goddess. Hi, Miss Sue. Oh my gosh. Oh my God. Siyempre. Same naman, diba? Diba? Ginaya ko lang naman yung bangs ni Sue sa trainer. Sabi ko, I want those bangs. Ayan na. Kaya kinuha ko siya.
Hello everyone, good evening. Yeah, this movie means so much, especially sa mga panahon ngayon na talagang talamak ang pagdidegrade sa mga kapatid natin from the LGBT community. And not only sa mga LGBT, pati sa mga kababaihan, sa mga kalalakihan. So, what this film really screams for is yung equality for everyone. Wala namang masama kung pantay-pantay tayo, di ba?
Oh my
Ano
gosh.
bang masama doon?
Wala.
Bakit kailangan nakakalamang? Dapat ba nakakalamang?
Hindi.
Amen?
Grabe, wala pa akong tanong kay Miss Sue. Wala pa akong tanong.
Nagsalita na.
Nagsalita na siya. Happy Pride. Happy Pride.
Gusto ko nang manood.
Tapusin na natin to. Nakakaloka. My gosh, Miss Sue, you are so busy. I just saw you a week ago in Lasting Moments, girl. Congratulations. How is this role any different now?
Sobrang iba. Siyempre, walang Gucci si Ina as compared to walang alaala.
Yeah.
But, yun nga, sobrang kakaiba to dahil itong movie na to will really spark conversations. And that's actually what we really want to happen. Na paglabas ng sinehan ng mga tao, dun pa lang sila magsisimulang magkwentuhan. Dun pa lang nila sisimulan yung topic at dun nila sisimulan yung mga kung ano mang gusto nilang pag-usapan.
Oh my gosh. I love Miss Sushi.
That's my flower girl.
I know exactly kasi si Sir Patrick kanina medyo shy reserved siya. Sabi, Liga dito. Nandito na siya to answer all of the questions. Do you have a message to everyone watching here? Is there anything that you wanted to take from this film?
Sana po ay mapanood po ng lahat. This is Direk Patrick's, I can say, masterpiece. Napakaganda po ng script nito. And it means so much talaga, this movie. Marirealize nyo yun pag napanood nyo yung pelikula. Hindi kami lang nagpapatawa dito. Meron kaming gustong sabihin.
Oh my gosh, and we are so excited to witness that ourselves. Thank you. Give it up for Ms. Sue Ramirez and Direk Patrick. Ano na, panoorin na kaya natin, no? Hello. Start na po natin. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Ay, wait lang daw. Hindi. Sir Patrick, hindi pa tapos yung trabaho natin. Well, magsalita ka pa dito, Direk. What possessed you to write something like this?
Oh, yeah, nabanggit rin si it's really about equality.
Equality.
So, sad to say, na-inspire ako sa discrimination na nararanas ng mga trans sisters natin. Okay. Especially na, gusto namin na umiwi sa CR, why would you take that away from them?
So it's really, sinakto niya talaga na Pride Month, no?
Timing, I think destiny.
Timing lang siya?
Yeah.
Wow! The universe works in mysterious ways for the Flower Girl premiere. Excited na ba kayo? Oh my gosh, Direk. So, last na before we go. What can you say to the people watching here about the film? What do you want them to take from this?
If nagustuhan nyo, sana ma-spread nyo sa social media, your friends. Invite nyo siya to watch no June 18. If hindi nyo nagustuhan, just keep it to yourself.
Hindi, magugustuhan namin for sure. That's June 18 in cinemas nationwide. Flower Girl will be showing. Sana ma-enjoy nyo. And for sure, ma-enjoy namin yung work of love that you put into this film. And of course, Miss Sue Ramirez always kills any role that she's in. Hello, in this gown. Hello, na may onting cut out. Hala, nasaan ang Pucci? Bakit pala Pucci? Bakit Pucci ang word natin?
I think it's a friendly term for
kasi gusto, balita ko dapat may Pucci ngayon eh. Dapat may Pucci pero, ay, no, alam mo, we are just so blessed already to have this wonderful cast with us here today on this stage, and I just can't wait to get it going, no? Thank you so much, Direk and Sue, for gracing us with your presence, and we will see you inside. Martin Del Rosario. Sue Ramirez. And of course, Direk Patrick Tabada. We'd like to acknowledge, of course, from the Idea First Company, Mr. Percy Intalan. From October Train Films, Mr. June Lana. From Creation Studios, Mr. RJ Agustin. And Mr. Rial Florido. Also here today, Mr. Rex Tiri, Mr. Sonny Fortuna, Miss Ronaldin Kalangian, and of course, the Dolly De Leon. All here to represent Creation Studios. From the Idea First Company, we'd also like to acknowledge Supervising Producer Omar Sortitas, DOP Cara Moreno, Assistant Director Renz Estacio, Associate Producer Cian Pamador, Script Continuity Teren Terumetam, Stylist Jonah Balyaran, Production Designer Josiah Hiponia, Music Teresa Barroso, Acting Coach Lot Bustamante, and Post Supervisor Christian Palma. And now we'd like to ask Direk Patrick, of course, to give your words of encouragement and your speech before we start.
Hi, good evening guys. Thank you sa pagpunta sa premiere night namin. Nireach ko itong concept na ito 2018-2019. Pina-direct version direction. Nasulat ko yung script 2020. Sinunod namin 2024 last year. Natapos kami this year lang. So, ganyan na ako kabagal gumawa. Kapalitan na ata ko ng AI. Anyway, this is my first solo directorial film. Hindi ito magiging possible kung hindi sa guidance si Direk Chula na Direk Percy Intalan ng Idea First. Thank you rin sa material. Thank you rin sa creation kay Sir RJ, kay Sir Ian, at lalo na kay Sir Rex Theory. Si Sir Rex yung nag-produce ng Patay na si Jesus. Ngayon naman, Puday na si Jesus. Anyway. To my Flower Girls, yung original na 14, si Nakara, Renz, si Ana Lu na wala dito. Thank you girls. Kinay Omar, na naririnig ko pa rin yung boses niya sa shoot na lagi ako sasabihan na nakalma kapag nagpa-panic attack na ako. Salamat sa maraming lahat ng cast and crew. Si Mama nandito na lumipad pa from Cebu. Hindi ko yun napapanood yung film, wala pa siyang idea, so I hope hindi mo ko itakbo yung actor mapanood mo ko. Pero may marami naman kung ginaano. So dito rin mga friends ko, hi guys. Sa aso ko, si Buddy, may emotional support animal. Wala siya dito kasi busy daw. Kasama niya yung boyfriend ko. Yes po. Ito po yung chismis. I'm a dog lover. Da Vinci, I love you so much. You're my number one fan. Lagi tingin naisip habang mga may problema. And you are the reason bakit ako andito. On that note, sa mga cute boys, Da Vinci and I are by the way open. So, we release Flower Girl tonight. Sa TikTok, if mag-video kayo ngayon, huwag yung gawin yun. Anyway, I dedicate this film sa mga trans sisters na suffering discrimination, to my fellow queer, to LGBTQ, to all the women. Happy Pride. But I also dedicate this sa lahat ng homophobic and transphobia. Namely, Joe kasi JK Rowling. Sana mapanood nyo ito kasi may mapupulot kayo dito na kung magugustuhan nyo, please share sa social media. We need the word of mouth na post sa Instagram. Kung hindi nyo magustuhan, keep it to yourself. We are showing on June 18. We're rated R16 ng MDRCB, meaning Flower Girl sa family film kung wala kayong family members below 16 years old. I'm going to end this by a very profound quote. Itong quote na to, inspiration ko siya, not just a filmmaker, but as a person, as a boyfriend, as a lover, as a son. Medyo madrama to. Wait. Sabi niya, you're tight, you're fresh, you are enough. Thank you and enjoy Flower Girl.
Yes! So photo op muna tayo here in front. But before that, we'd like to acknowledge the presence of the Creation Studios artists Dolly De Leon, Meryl Soriano, Gabby Padilla, Chai Fonasher, and Fina.
Bongga.